Right, here's a question where you're asked to find the tangent of an angle that is in degrees, minutes, seconds. If you have that button on your calculator, you can probably just type that in, tan of 4 degrees, 13 minutes. But if you don't have that button, it's useful to be able to convert this to a decimal degree. The DMS stands for degrees, and then minutes and seconds. And there's 60 seconds in 1 minute and 60 minutes in 1 degree. So if I'm wanting to convert this to decimal degree, I'm going to take that 13, and since it's minutes, that's the one right before degrees, I'll divide that by 60. Let me see what that comes out to. So 13 divided by 60 gives me 0.2166. So this is really the tangent of 4.21666 repeater degrees. Now on my calculator, I'll just take and hit tangent of 4.21666. Let me figure out what that comes out to. So the ratio for that comes out to 0.0737, etc. Here'd be an interesting question. What if they said cosine theta is equal to 0.84 or something? And they said, what is the angle? But they want the angle in degrees, minutes, second. Your calculator can convert that for you, but if it doesn't, here's a way you could do it. So you'd want to arc cos both sides so that you cancel this and just have a theta there. So I have to arc cos this side. Let me do that on the calculator. Arc cos. So that angle comes out to 32.85988-ish. Now that is a decimal degree, and that's correct. But if they want the answer in degrees, minutes, seconds, then what I have to do is take this part off and times it by 60, and that'll give me my minutes. So take that off, okay, times by 60, and that gives me, so I have 32 degrees, and then I have 51.59282 about, and that's minutes. Now what I do is I take this part off, I do that on my calculator, and times it by 60. And I get, so I have 32 degrees, 51 minutes, and then 0.5928 times 60 gives me 35.6 seconds. And you might round that up, so you might just call it 32 degrees, 51 minutes, and 36 seconds. Right, hopefully that helps you with the degree, minute, second type.